Hi, my name is Jakub Garskiewicz and I'm assistant in our product design department. And today I would like to talk more about what we are actually do every day with our students. We have seven different design studios, like Inspiring Design Studio, Product Design Studio 1, Design Studio 2, Interpretation Studio, Industrial Design Studio, Context Design Studio, and Interdisciplinary Design Studio. And this is the place where our students do their diploma project, like bachelor and master. During the studies, we combine like our tutors and professors. We combine split to different teams and work with students with a little bit different structure. I will talk about it a little bit later. And then we have two laboratories. One of that is material research. And in that laboratory, we talk more about 3D printing. We're looking for some new solutions, and we work with material with different techniques of 3D printing. And then there is the design communication laboratory, which I conducting, and on that classes we talk about design process, design management. I teach how to use different tools for design management, or we talk about portfolio, how to do it, what is important, and which project you should choose to your portfolio, and stuff like this. One of the nice, I guess, a nice thing is tutors exhibitions. Every year we got like one or two exhibitions where you can find out what our professors and tutors actually do, or you can show our design achievements and talk about that. So this is a great opportunity to get know better who you teach. So then a couple words about our alumni. We've got a lot of very experienced designers who graduate our university. I can mention like Ania Kruk or Anna Orska, who have their own business, like with connecting with jewelry and their own brands. Or Mikołaj Wierzchowski, who is also very experienced designers. There is no picture of Kuba Blimel, but he's also our alumni, and he's shoe designer who worked for Echo and for 4F company and designed a lot of shoes. So next one is about the media. Our students every year take part in many of different competitions, or they show the master and bachelor thesis project on some competitions like graduation projects, Design 32, FNC, or we can find a lot of information about their work in magazines such as Architecture and Business or White Mat. And now I would like more about students' path. There is like on bachelor level, we've got 3 years, and on the first year we have 2 semesters. Each one has 15 weeks. And the most important is preliminary design. On that classes you work with wood, paper, ceramic. You get know basics of 3D modeling, design sketching, and you start to learn tools for design any product and concept. And as a support is in this winter semester there is bionic design. It's connecting more with nature and research about that and how to transform some natural organism into some structure made from maybe wood, maybe from paper, or and things like this. And in the summer semester, bionic design turns into the graphic design. On that classes, you will work with Adobe package like InDesign, Illustrator, Photoshop. You will get know basics of typography and things like this. Then on the second year, whole year is we split for 3 parts. Each part has 10 weeks, and we work with a little bit different structure. We call it module, and we have 3 module on the second year and 1 module of the third year. And during the module, you work and you work on real project, on real design problem. You need to solve it. You need to prepare the project, and your skills will increase with another module, because each one is focusing on another area, if I talk in that way. But I will show you in another page. And what is cool, I guess, you can choose additional studio on winter and summer semester, and this is you can choose from all university, from art department or another design department, from graphic department, whatever you like to do, what skills you want to develop. And then on the third year, you've got 10 weeks for last module and 20 weeks for your diploma project. Also, in the winter semester, you need to choose additional studio. Then about the module and how we work with the students, we are focusing to develop different skills, and we try to tell the students that everything in design process is important, and that's why the first module is focusing on analysis. The second one is more focused on conception, then about the project, and the last module is combine all of that, and you will know how to create like full project with prototype, model, documentation, presentation. So that's about the model and the bachelor structure. And now about the master degree. We have 2 years, and on this first year we work also with 2 semesters, but in every semester you have one big design project with external company, and this is great, I guess, because you can you have opportunity to meet some engineers, some product managers, some project manager, some people from marketing, and talk about your design, your project, and you need to convince them sometimes to your idea, and this is how your work would look like in the real life. So this is very important for us to give the opportunity to work with other companies. And of course, you can choose additional studios on winter and summer semester. Second year is all second year is for your master thesis. So that's how it look like. This is here's a couple of works from the first year. As you can see, there is a lot of ceramics, paper, woods, different equipment or device for everyday use. Here is some example about bachelor diplomas. As you can see, very different approaches for different topics. Here is some work, piece of work from master degree, and here was that was the collaboration with Skoda and police department. That project was about the cyclist, about the cyclist safety, how to increase that. That was about the cyclists and pedestrians. Here was about the trackers and searching for some new solutions for them, how to improve their work, make it more safety and more comfortable. During that project, you have opportunity to spend all day in Skoda Auto Lab. There is a lot of practical information how to use the roads and how to drive safety. That was collaboration with Vimed. This is the company which produce road sign. Here is example from Tente. Tente produce wheels for furniture or in other devices like medical beds or stuff like this. That was collaboration with Brenner. They produce composite sinks, so very different approaches for that project. That was quite interesting collaboration with Ogniochron. They produce extinguisher, and the case was to put the extinguisher at home and make it more visible in the interior of your flat, of your apartment, and how to, or there was another approaches how to change the ergonomics and safety of use the extinguisher. Of course, there is a lot of space for researches about some jewelry, more maybe from art, but connecting with manufacturing. This is example from Unia. Unia produce agriculture machine, and students had a really tricky task to redesign or improve some elements in that machines. Here is another solution connecting with Tente wheels. And here we have some of master diplomas. As you can see, there is a lot of different topics, and we've got the car, we've got the project which try to change people's lives, like hear from people with some disabilities. There is a lot of space for research and try to be focusing on of the customer. And here, this is the part of the studying program. Every year we go to our little palace, which is 45, I guess 50 kilometers away from Poznan, and we are there like for 1 week, and during that week we do some funny or funny task, and this is the nice time to get know better our students, or they can know better us. So this is a great time. Of course, in our design department is a science club, and our students take part with a lot of exhibitions. They invite a lot of designers for a meeting, and lots of activities like joining to some exhibitions in the Europe, or things like this. And yeah, and this is it. So if you have any questions, just feel free to answer, to send these questions. I will be happy to answer for anyone. And thank you so much.